Hi, so today we're going to be learning about the one of the types of fees that lawyers may charge in transactions. And the fee we're going to be considering today is retainer fee. So when we talk about retainer fee, this is where you have an arrangement between a lawyer and a client, where the lawyer is paid a fee, and then any legal briefs the client has over the period of time for which the lawyer and the client have that contractual agreement, and the lawyer would handle it for the client. All right. So the way it works is that you have the client, let's say, pay the lawyer monthly or yearly, and then throughout that year, any legal matters the client has that need to be attended to are referred to the lawyer, and then the lawyer would handle it without requesting any additional fees for the work that is done. All right, so that's how a retainer works. Now, we have two types of retainers. We have general retainers and we have special retainers. Now, when we talk about the general retainer, that's the arrangement whereby when any legal work at all needs to be done, it's referred to the lawyer to handle. All right. So one day could be something to do with a property acquisition. Another day could be something to do with an employment dispute. Another day it could be something to do with a breach of contract. So any work at all, any legal work is covered under the scope of a general retainer, whereas with a special retainer, the work to be done is in a specific area or a specific transaction. So for a special retainer, you could have the client retain the lawyer just for the purpose of a property acquisition, and that's all. And after the acquisition is done, that retainer is also exhausted. So that's the difference between a general and a special retainer. Now, you should, however, note that when you have a retainer between a lawyer and a client, a lawyer is still obligated to charge fees for any litigation work that is done. All right, so separate professional fees have to be charged for any litigation that is done. So that's where there's a work involving advocacy in court. Separate fees, separate professional fees have to be charged for that. But every other thing would be covered under the scope of the retainer. So I hope you've enjoyed learning that today, and I'll see you again some other time. Bye-bye.